Well, here it is. Put together, headlights on, HD, main LED, little fly screen, four-inch rear tire, rear brakes, extended swing arm, kickstart with the Moto battery under the seat. Low profile Euro style handlebars. Speedometer only. Oval cat's eye taillights. Long chain. Turned out pretty good. Well, this is about 11 months worth of work right here. Fabricated a rear fender. Kept the toolbox, velocity stacks. Rebuilt starter. Powder coated the frame with double bronze color. Most parts from eBay, and shout out to commonmotors.com, common-motors.com, Dime City Cycles, 4-to-1, and Amazon and eBay. Modified the taillights for LED. Bottom with regular bulbs in it, but found some LED replacements for them. Had to change the flasher relay to make it work. That was a piece of cake, cheap. I like it. Okay. Might want to do some more stuff, but I'm not sure. But so far, I have knee pads that I haven't yet installed. I also have some black trim for under the tank that I haven't yet installed. I'll take a picture of it sometime once all those things are put into place. There it is, 11 months of work and about $500 or so. $254 just for the powder coating itself. Did everything else. Extended swing arm, I had to send that out, $60. And various little parts. There it is, over and out.